going on, YouTubians? Gary the VW Jawbreaker. Today's kind of a sad day, I'm not going to lie. The Hot 1915 is running great. However, if you watch the last video, there's some bad noises coming from, okay, not bad, but there's noises coming from it that should not be coming from it. I used a long screwdriver, put my ear up to it. Doot, 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 doot. Sounds like it's coming from the nose cone bearing, or that general area. So really the only thing to do, pull it apart, see what I missed. I can tell you that the nose cone bearing, when I fit it into the case, it wasn't snug, but it wasn't loose. That's all I have, that's all I know. I called my machine guy, he said, oh yeah, it should be fine. I'm starting to think it's not fine. That, or when the fan went egg-shaped, that stress from the serpentine belt put some additional stress on it. The only way to know, guys, is to take it out, rip it apart, and see what's going on. I'm not going to leave things half-assed, for lack of better words. I can't do that. And I've never once claimed that I was an expert or a know-it-all. I've simply said I know some stuff, and I'm sharing my experiences with you. Well, here's an experience that didn't turn out quite so well, but together, hopefully diving into this, we can learn a thing or two. I think that's the point. I'm honestly been pretty bummed out. I haven't even really wanted to record this, but in retrospect, it's the least I can do, again, sharing my experiences. I have had somebody ask me, hey man, please wear some shoes in the garage.
Hold on. Gotta wipe sweat from my face from the end of, what is this, December? Yeah, it's almost January. I'm sweating, and it's raining. Gotta love Florida, guys.
I had a couple people say, hey man, you really need to wear some shoes out in the garage. It's not safe to be barefoot. Yeah, true, but I know my garage floor is clean. I know things are swept up, blown out. I know things are okay. However, I don't disagree, so I got some shoes. I'll wear my flip-flops for you. How's that? That was fun. It really doesn't take long to pull the dual carbs and everything out of the way. So I've got everything underneath disconnected. We've got the one starter nut, starter bolt holding everything in place right now. Fuel's disconnected, throttle's disconnected. Again, two or lower nuts off the bell housing are disconnected. So now we'll roll in the engine cradle I made. Put that in front, put the jack in place. Go ahead and pull this puppy.
Now where'd I put the wrench? Wrench has got to be here somewhere. Oh, come on, I just had it. Here it is. Alright, my hand back in there. Alright, engine's always supported on the jack. I knew I forgot something. I got the bracket holding the muffler. position. There we go. I'm gonna sump a little better. What am I hitting? Just about free. Down a ways. I only have Levi out here helping me, but he's not here. Dang it, Levi!
Dang it, Levi!
Alright, am I gonna get my dolly in place? Come on. Ah, those wheels don't like to go around it. Alright, there we go. We're in. Get over here. Engine's on the cradle. It's out. It's dirty too. My hands are dirty.
Alright. I just realized I did all that with the microphone turned backwards. Hope you enjoy it. Now we've got to jack up the car, and then we'll roll it on out. That was fun. Tell you what, having that little rolling dolly sure does make things a lot easier. So we'll go ahead and put a pin in this here. Engine's out. And then on the next video, we'll go ahead and start tearing into it and see what's going on. So until the next time, guys, be good to others, be kind, and we'll catch you soon.